What's up, guys? Yes, she did. Did I say my name right?
Yes, she did.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so we're playing some more Subway Surfers. Because again, like always, the only reason is because Andrew Wasser apologized for the flipping racist magnet, man.
Bro, his videos be on YouTube.
Shut up, man. How don't you know that? I think he pretty much... yeah, you keep doing that.
You.
Huh?
How many likes do you have?
I don't know. I don't check my YouTube. I only just put videos on there. Well, I might read the comments. I do read comments, people. So now
Good or bad?
oh my god. Oh snap.
They're good or bad?
I don't know. They only just say hi. Make another video. Good for you. Oh what? Oh yeah. That's how it's done. I just get one ghost and then die. That's how it's done, people.
Hey, the racing magnet in his hand.
Yes, it is. So everyone, run for your life. We might not win. We might not make it through. Do this.
Everybody run from Daniel.
Shut up. It's so mean.
Yes, you do. Everybody run away from him. I'm name. Yes, you do.
Yeah. Remember, if you see Andrew, then just know he doesn't like magnets.
No, I do not. Well, yeah, I do not.
Like I just said.
Yeah, I do not.
I don't have any surfboards. Look at these pro skills. These skills of the pro.
I'm not even gonna look at the funky Transylvania ugly ass SpongeBob SquarePants Patrick motherfucking Yoshi Mario Yuccapunko Kung Pang Chicken motherfucking magnet.
That was a lot of weird words. First of all,
Wisdom.
how is Patrick even related to Subway Surfers?
Cause his fat ass is mixed in with that.
How is SpongeBob related to Subway Surfers? Okay, we need
Because you're wearing yellow.
What? What if I'm not wearing yellow?
If you want like light colored blue, then
What if I don't even
you're
wear?
Squidward.
What if I don't wear any clothes? What if I don't wear any clothes? Shut up!
You're Patrick. He's all naked.
No, he at least has shorts on him.
Nah, but he's always showing. He's always showing now his little magnet. Every time it's SpongeBob, and SpongeBob's like, ooh, somebody want to see that shit. You magnet.
I'm getting so much magnets.
Your magnet could suck mine. Suck my Transylvania.
What?
It could my Transylvania. Right here.
Hold up.
It could my Transylvania. That's what it could really do. Because my Transylvania, that's what it could do.
Who you think you is?
Mike the Knight.
Really?
Man, that little nigga from the little show, that little kid show. Mike the Knight. Mike the fuck, man, a spider beating his ass right now.
Dang.
Spider gonna knock him in his ass, I bet you. Spider going trying to look like fucking Michael Jackson. He don't even look like Michael Jackson with his High School Musical looking ass. That's a fucking Play-Doh house. Fuck, you ain't stepping on it. I thought that's what your Play-Doh costume kid. Bad Alpha-Dilla eating ass. Your feet are big and they knock it down. Go ahead, just knock it down. I don't know why I fucking reading this. I just bring shit here.
Oh my god.
Man, I can make a description of everybody. Everybody on this whole stupid ass. You let a building go off of you.
I would have to go with a monkey because two things. It's realistic.
Next.
with your Justin Timberlake singing ass.
Come on, Andrew.
With your dark out. With your Alex Espindola looking ass.
Oh, come
With your
on.
Daniel looking ass.
Shut up.
With your Britney Tupac when Britney Spears ass.
That's not even
I look like Daniel when he was older.
Shut up.
I look like Alex when he listened to Justin Bieber. He heartbroken.
No. That's the Andrew he looks like. That's Daniel. That's what Andrew looks like when he's
That's
drunk.
him when he waking up in the morning and he see all these strippers. He just goes.
Oh, yeah. That's Andrew. That's Andrew when he got drunk and smoked weed.
Go to the next outfit. That's Alex with his skanky, hairy ass legs. Don't help him in basketball. Alright. That's Daniel.
When he plays too much video games, like
When he plays too many video games, he turning up. That's Alex matching his picture. The two twins. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that.
They can't see the picture.
That's Andrew.
That's straight up
That's
Andrew.
Alfredo when he drunk in the morning. He needs nose piercing.
This is Andrew when he gets fired and he's
Oh, that's your Yoshi Dude channel.
If I'm able to allow this person, I'll be playing with it every day.
Fuck Yoshi.
You too.
Let's see.
That's
No, go back.
No, not yet.
That's Andrew right there.
This guy looks like Squidward when he's not ready to go. When he's ready to hunt the floor like he just did.
Oh God.
That's Squidward when he's trying to scare SpongeBob, but SpongeBob rejects the stupid ass.
And that's you when you. That's all three of you because you get fired and you smoke weed.
Just go over to the next person.
Whatever.
That's
Mr. Krabs when he needs a pump in the morning.
He's talking.
That's Mr. Krabs when he really need help. That's Mr. Krabs when he try to be a Jamaican, he gets shot.
Dude, this video is just gonna be Andrew just making fun of all these Subway Surfers characters.
Now this motherfucker is Captain America. No, not Captain America. He's Captain Underpants. This motherfucker trying to be what's his name? Twilight's motherfucking vampire. And this guy is trying to be like Alex. I want to be a fucking Halo kid.
Andrew,
Now,
that's your
don't get
girl.
me started on her. This girl looks like Katy Perry on diabetes. This is like Katy Perry when you just got out the bed with Alex. This looks like Katy Perry when Daniel just got through working with her.
Hey, what?
And this looks like me when
Oh,
I'm super quick.
no, you're not.
That looks like Daniel when he want to wear flip-flops on a Friday with some socks.
Yeah, so did you. Look.
I didn't do
We're in flip-flops and socks.
Oh shit. That looks like
me.
Daniel.
No, that's me.
Daniel trying to be a karate artist, but the fucked up shoes ain't helping.
Bring your crap tomorrow. Your money.
I swear, that just looks like Halo.
Andrew, that looks like you because you're being a big dumbass robot.
Alright, come on, next outfit.
That
That looks like Alex when he's stupid as hell. He
Oh, what
got
the?
watching Halo 4 and he want to bounce his big ass head around.
Not Andrew's head.
This looks like the bus driver was cranking in the morning.
Oh, come on, Andrew. That's Andrew with the girl.
Look like
That's Andrew's girl. That's Andrew. That's Andrew.
this look like her.
Daniel, what Andrew looks like is that because she came around the back
This
with her.
look like Daniel when he just got out the gym in the morning.
That ain't not me.
This look like Emma when she's trying to put on her hobo outfit. This look like
Andrew when he came out from the dead.
This looks like
Andrew when he
Alex when he's trying to ride a fucking bike and he's stupid as hell. Oh, don't get me started.
and that's
This
Andrew.
looks like
That's Andrew when he make it.
that. This looks like what's his name? Justin Bieber's stupid ass. This look like Justin Bieber. He trying to do push-ups. See, it ain't like they humping the floors. This look like
Andrew when he came out from the
the
jet.
Jamaica Justin Bieber. Now this looks like
Oh, what the?
some Egyptian
Melon.
dancing Chris K motherfucker.
Oh my God, that's Andrew when he grows up. He's
Now
a
this
dumbass.
look like Daniel when he trying to wear a goddamn DC fucking hat.
Yeah, right.
And he turned into a fucking Egyptian motherfucker.
Oh, what the?
This looks like
This looks
like
This looks like Andrew when he came from the jet.
man, this looks like Daniel who played Minecraft with what's his name, Daniel. He's so dumb. He peed his pants and he got that outfit to wear.
all I hear from you is this looks like.
That looks like it. This boy looks like a Egyptian.
Well, whatever, let's get ready for this
boy.
video. I was gonna end for this video.
No, I'm not done.
No, ain't gonna. The video end. Bye.